Ebuso ya mo achen ama wo akwaba wo hwen wa Adom TV sanso na wote yenka asempa 94.7 FM. Na wochi dwumadie na no pen so yesu nkonwa yede ebro midin the Chief Jerry Force no betimi aframe CJ. Ana pen so medase so ama ye kwan se emra wo fie na bia a wote yenka fie bra no. Abeka ye ho sa dwumadie yi eso. Ana pen enkomo no ensesan COVID-19 we are seeing ati atesa nei abesen yekoma ye hwe kwan a yebefa so aso ano ana pay yebehye da eto yebo ase na yahwe ne afiri mu aba ne afei anamontu a yetu afasa yare yi eho Ghana ha de seme no kasai sisi asusudu a egina nipa dodo a enya yare ni bi egina 378 ewo Ghana ha eno na aban itu anamon se yebehye se yare no en spread bebre yanko yanim na afei yenhwe amampani the initial 2 weeks lockdown na ebetu dwa enso se ye kasai enane nansa osane Ghana fo nyina kasa akiremu se efri dwada ekono ye de 1 week lockdown na aka ho te fi dwada no ye de Nnawotwe aka lockdown no ho a eno so so abetu dwa se ye koyanimu a se ye behwe na coronavirus ana lockdown ni ehun sunsuaso no enye kese bebre wo man ye sikasem ene afei ye dada koniabadie eso enti no aban de krata ekoto masebejafo anim nia ye frɛ no coronavirus alleviation program ana cap ekoto masebejafo anim initial amount ana sikaboten a na wo mo hwɛ animu sɛ ye nsabeka de aso ano de aboye ho bra eye 1.204 billion Ghana cedis de ko US sika no mu a eye 218.95 million US dollars na aban no ekyerese yebehia de adi saa dwuman capsi yebebisa se dwumadie poten ben na yehwe se saa anamonto ebetimi ayene edi kan ene se yebeso mfiemfie asene na afei yahwe se dada kona bade ani abraba ayebo no enya nsunsuaso bebre ewo so ne etosumienu ene se yehwe enwuma nketewa ne adentamu omasene na se ne be ya omadwuma no entimi engu ebetimi agina ne na so impo saa brei ene yare no ekiri ne edi ho ene se yare yi kofo bebre na enam so ede won betena fie nkenka lockdown yi mu no kofo bebre na aba betena fie se ye hwe a yare yi mu no ebibisa se sikabutin ebetimi aboa ema job losses ana nipa bebre no entimi enhwere wo adwuma yare yi mu ene yare no ekiri afei nso so mfiridwuma e wo man yi mu so ebeso wo masene na yetimi aye niema oman yi mu yebehia esanse se ya ka exporter untimi export bibia anko babia enti no niema yebehia e wo man yi mu no industries ne behwe na afei wo matimi atusa anamo no sika no ebehwe na afei yehwe intended plan kwan ben na yare kwan ben na saa sika yi ebehwe na afei edi dwuma die poten awodo ben na yare sika yi eba behwe edie nyedi kan eni se ye ne aduane ede amasebe omo a womu nibie omo sentimi enkoma no bi se saa dwumadie no ahyase enkran ha tema kumase kasoa ene mmea bia tete saa nuane no ye de ema onkofo ani ebebisem nsem ne ahwe kwan a ye fa so kye saa aduane mpo eno ye behwe na afei yakoyanim afei ye hwe na afei saa abreyim ebre ho akohia se ye hia nsuo de hohoro yensa edi dware de ye niam bebre no obi abenya nsuo edi saa adwuma no mampani de ato dwade da se ka sai de boso mi se da ye nim no nsuo eye free ewo Ghana afei nso so ahonidie enso so ebetimi akonanim afei nso so yaketua ene to a eda so enkanka de ma apomuden adwuma yefo no boso mi se da ye nim no yayi ni nyina ede afiri ho eno nso so abatodwa afei apomuden adwuma yefo no ye from frontline workers no womunya 50% allowance boso me nan akatua no womunya saa sika no ede dwuma enti eno nso so abetodwa afei nso so yaye hyehyeye apomuden adwuma yefo no womunya bus de omba fifie akwa adwuma na afei de omafie adwuma abafie enti saa hyehyeye no ewo ho no ma ye kasai ayelolo buses na edi saa adwuma no afei nso so ye ma besia soft loans de ama nyumakuo ahodo binom na womo de aso wo masene ho no nso so asembisa wo ho nyumakuo ben criteria ben na yegina so ahwese saa adwuma wei adwumakuo wei hia saa mwei ana nso se wo hia eno so anapai ebibisa saa ensem no na afei yahwe challenges possible challenges ye Ghana foi anhwe ebetimi ayi niti kwan a ye fa so na yayi amanyosem afri saa na monto yi nyina mu enkenkan ne ma ye kyeche yenkoye nhwehwani mu we ye party A ana we ye party B ansa na yamawade ana nso so etesen na afei nso so ntie anantiase kakra enni ho efa kwan a sa coronavirus alleviation programming ye fa so edi dwuma no eno nso so anapai ye be hwe na afei ye bisa ho nsem the quality of the meals being distributed amanfo aka ho asem say aduane no a ye kyekyema ye no kra eti say ebi say nheda anye papa nsam na kwa bebre bada na pai ni nyina no mpanifo transi ye be hwe na afei ye bisa ho nsem na afei the source of funding for coronavirus alleviation programming anapay and also so yabeshe na fei yabisa yakwa anima ensembisa anapay yabeshe how does government intend to achieve CAP's objective without clouding it with partisan politics say yawo man yimi kwanya yabefa so de san hihye ya adwuma yemfa manyosem embata ho ehu hia pa anapay yebedi saa enkomo no ne edu hobio ene ne nti abesi nkunya ene susudua aban edi gina ho ahwe se yakase obi eye mobrowa obi e vulnerable a den e gina so de hwe anapai ye bebisa saa ensem no na fa nnwumaku a womba benya emwa no so saa nnwumaku no ye bebisam oya nnwumaku ben who deserves what nnwumaku ben na se ye so nasene saa bre yi emu eno so anapai ye behwe what are the implications enne ya ye de yensa akoka stabilization fund e won sunsanso obi e wo man sikasem so when ni bebre e ka ho na pay na otwe dwumadi so mini penfo ebesi nkunya na afei ya bobo hu bidin at the chief Jerry Force wo share your Adom TV Samson out here nka asempa 94.7 FM yakonya na memo akwaba bitwa me ho aba me ba e be hye nkomotwetwe no ase.
Fellow Ghanaians, once again, good evening. Today is the 6th time I'm coming into your homes since we began our collective effort to combat the coronavirus pandemic and to implement measures aimed at containing and defeating it. I have, first of all, to tell you how proud and privileged I am to be your president, not just to fight for you, but also to fight with you and to help shepherd our country out of this crisis. I said in my last address, the government's policy in this entire drama will be largely driven by science. We will, as much as possible, be guided by the data with our focus on the 3 T's, that is tracing, testing, and treatment. We now see that the decision to close down our borders has been justified. 105 of the confirmed cases came from those who were mandatorily quarantined and tested on their arrival in our country on 21st and 22nd March. 192 of the cases came from travelers who entered the country before the closure and their contacts. 79% of the 378 confirmed cases are thus imported. Clearly, until we have the situation fully under control, we cannot at this time open our borders. They will have to remain shut until further notice. Further, the partial lockdown of Accra and Kumasi has facilitated a more aggressive program of enhanced contact tracing with a total of 450 teams. 37,405 samples have been taken, of which 31,933 are in Accra and 5,472 are in Kumasi. As of Wednesday, yesterday, 8th April, a total of 14,611 contacts of the samples collected have been tested for the virus in Accra and Kumasi. For Accra, 11,308 contacts were tested, and 52, i.e. 0.46% of them were found to be positive. In Kumasi, 3,303 contacts have been tested, and 25, i.e. 0.76%, have been found to be positive. In total, 77 positive cases were recorded in Accra and Kumasi, representing 0.53% of the 14,611 tested.
Medase se watwen yen Adom TV sunie wote enka sempa 94.7 FM na wotwe dwumadie na yesim kunwa yede ebrewo ye wie ni sei na yesim kunwa na sen komatwetwe no a na eduru ho no a ye ba abetwetwe anapai impenifo mienu na abeka me ho a ye ba bedi saa dwuman honorable Dr. Bernard Okoboy member of parliament for Lejokuku constituency so na nei menka ne se ni tia ye ma omampani apa no se osrafo abedi akira ohwe Ghana ya pomuden ho ensem so so na lawyer Sami Jenfi national communications officer of the National Democratic Congress mpenifo makwaba
ejusu nana
ajosa pombo ko de but mami ndi kan ma otinkwa Dr. Okuba mgidi se agba adwuma nti na omampani ahwe so de saa de brei de ama but ufri aban mu nti mesha se afri boho yenhwe the whole cap program, the coronavirus alleviation program, honorable Kanofuriata at the betu manim na wo mrahye bejafie na afi wo ha iboye mu kakra sika no tisen hefa na we ku hefa na tofa afi wi na afi Adom suko honorable
yo meta wasi ye mra no emma parliament emma ye ahondin emma say ye wo extraordinary times and a crisis situation yet me a movie ska free the stabilization fund at the back contingency fund mo Emma parliament na through finance committee et me approve say interest as can infamboa situation a year go through but before even let me say apart from scanner year share from stabilization fund aban ankasa year other provisions from the consolidated fund about 1 billion cedis I say about World Bank MI about $65 million, $35 million so abekao. So yeah, shares come from various places, sources. I beboa ama sena niama ekoniatimi ama some social and economic support kakra. No a quick breakdown of the Ediba Parliament no. Na usha document na the last page I think page 6. I can say a mad breakdown no. Support to households, we are looking at about 280 million Ghana cedis. Now breakdown here, 40 million for food packages and hot meals. Hot meals, just say we are looking at doing about 400,000 packs across Ghana. Across the lockdown areas. Into Accra, say me also yechiche eduani ayanu dada and ekano budget about 40 million Ghana cedis. And Ghana National Buffer Stock, omo ton duani free farmers ho abindi no se bibi omo supply to schools in no omo so budget about 40 million Ghana cedis di mo to support omo mechiche across eno na di ma faith based organizations no Lejokuku say Action Chapel and sebi omo receive a huge quantity of supplies mi ankasa mi ko share na budget no provision of water and sanitation what is the presidency for 3 months no you saw your water bills mama na ya boa ma ya omo mu ni bisu ya supply water tank
and they call the electricity account
exactly yeah. Now enu 200 million Ghana cedis okay. Budget for that and relief for health workers 323 million I may share with you now breakdown here personal income tax for all health workers for 3 months now personal income no kai say is for all health workers budget no about 241 million Ghana cedis. And I have allowance of 50% of basic salary for frontline health workers for 4 months. That's from March up to March, April, May, June. And no allowance 80 million and I year to and I lolo bus for health workers, also comes about 2 million.
2 million.
And soft loans for micro, small, and medium-sized businesses. Yeah, share about 600 million. In total, no, it's about 1.2 billion. The Corona Alleviation Program, right? Breakdown. No?
Okay, right. But the issue, mete waiver, no. As I'm on the waiver, research kakame and correct me if I'm wrong. Article 174, the power to waive taxes is vested in Parliament, and not in the executive or in the president. In this case, how did this one come about? I mean, to be Parliament.
In fact, Nyankopɔn Adom, I'm privileged. I'm a friend of the Finance Committee.
Okay.
So it came out clearly, say, Sebi, when you are exempting workers from paying tax, the word to use, the expression is not waiver, it's payment. The government is paying on behalf of, how do you call it, on behalf of workers. If Sebi, goods, and I be talk, and I was saying taxes also, now I buy a GIA. That is when, so right over there, no, more or less it was corrected or amended at the committee level. So we share script kitana. We are from the clerk of the finance committee. We say instead of waiver, no, cancel actual payment. So that is the small word American. It was corrected. Okay. So government is more or less absorbing the income taxes of how do you call it? The finance people can give you more elucidation, but with my little finance knowledge, that is what came up there, and it's basically to absorb the payment of taxes, income taxes, so that gross on the coffee, net on the coffee, about cost through chain first. And they say, what's your income tax of 500 Ghana? Now, scout the coffee 1,500 Ghana cedis. Now that government is absorbing, paying that 500 for you, it will come and add to the one you take home. Okay. So you take 2,000 Ghana cedis. So you see fiscal increment in what you take home. That's what I have to say about it. But remember, I don't know, Sebi, every question has maybe one maybe what do you want to clarify? But in all this, remember, say, President at his end, Anka or Tumia, Tana Okano, or Nupen or Yanka, or Mayan Farm Bray of Parliament. The Finance Committee is a committee of Parliament. In fact, when you look at, Sami will help us with that article. There's an article that says that emergency funds, the committee in Parliament in charge of financial matters, has the capacity to look at such funds from the finance minister, proposals, and then approve. And so, whatever be the case, this came to a committee of Parliament, and we have made sure that the right.
Our already agreed rules, as advertised by your company. In view of this, management has decided to refund the money you paid since the cost is borne by government. Okay,
so in this case, how does it constitute the government stopping?
Just the company, a buying company. And I'm media organization behind buses every board transportation of health workers. So what I say. And a buying company, natural comma, CTFM say. A buying so be the same thing. A buying so be fakan. Inti mo buses na they are renting monocrano. Yeah, Jenny back sika about you amayano. Yeah, the mad.
But I believe someone by said the government's decision anytime, every time should overrule any other individual or private.
What are you talking about? And yeah, one I see a free private people near Payade. I buy say baby a way. Ne hoso sika we here to do all the things we need. Dr. Kobo has limited resources. So when you have limited resources and private people want to help, all I am saying is that collaborate with them. And no boama winya obi de be ka wo de ne ho. Na wo de aye. Because you na the papa mu ne yepe. But do ka say oh me so meye ma de dada nti wo kura wo tue sika beje wa de a. I don't think that is prudent. And we must not encourage that. Minua. So they no to nchen a. Nzo be mama cause Dr. Kubo na me ka chen say na minister si abeka say we na fira ba mu. It can be consume electricity.
Sami pacho me ba. Yen komo no mako. You ya no mame.
O pese ye kasenti na dey ba. With time no so go to 2 hours. It my flow because that's a one man eye tight kaka.
But minister Kasa say this one 1 minute.
No problem. Any mado.
But on the diane channel anamon a aban yetu. Sisi eh say ye mo apen so a enka ye be hunu bibi close to this anan ka ebe bro ni aban yaye.
You see, this is not an issue. I mean, person say ya pen so a I can tell you say ye be che aduane ama wono a woni bi ne hiafo and you be making sure say one who will need be and sabi. Because our challenges of partisanship in the be I see, but we would have done everything we could to make sure say you be year free. It is a real challenge, whether NDC is in power or MPP is in power. Party apparatchiks tend to abuse some of these things that state here. But the difference here is that there is a national crisis. Yaba, and you see in shed them or lockdown areas. So this time around, whether NDC or MPP, we cannot afford partisanship. You're making sure say bianeno. If we are dealing, we are Ghanaian. We are Ghanaian. You can now fit to go now. So be a okay. Now you increase scope because we are not buying it. Iswa. Ebisu who pa se bi menya sure say caterers ni nyina or more kukusa. But me also man who be a
sardine tin of sardine
ebisu wa one piece ebisu wa aduane ni nkoyi enti caterers no omo no aduane a sika na dia ma omo dozo omo no ani me ye sure say oba me ho bie mu dia obema time
me da say me
City FM there no quickly on say president say yenye citizens not spectators. Sebi, you start the elevation program, so now you handle a lot of sectors. And a city, bringing attention to transportation for health workers. And na enye boni kwanso. In fact, Osha, na nkomu kwa about 4-5 buses maximum. Buses and komo omuji yomu program. It was only 4 or 5 buses. Sa butaye pano ema abayin who say, oh, instead of even 4 or 5 buses, we can do all their buses. And the omo actually no, sebi abayin more or less I endorse it, but yeah expanding. But what I say, no, and yet Bonnie Kwanso. The point I'm making say it's good say in such times, you know, who are buying obi to an man pa or endorse ya or BM. But what I say. So in fact, I thank City for being active or proactive, or the word is that being active citizens, not laid back. And see, I think in this crisis, you know, Obia or the Buta Papa Bano would take it. Now, emboa situation. Who say my brother can be about Papa John Dramani.
But honorable, answer now on the issue of insurance package for health workers.
Yeah, maybe I address it.
350,000. That me must say beside say in the line of duty. The health worker be losing a life. The family, they stand a chance of getting that money.
Absolutely.
Is that it?
Absolutely. I'll take it shortly. But with the same insurance, you know, if checks Sakra Mayeno, unza higher move. Program here, facts program. Now, the Minister of Health announced the policy on the 28th of March. Say, Obia Oye Health Worker, 350,000 Ghana cedis per head and not per life. 28th. Yeah, Papa John Romani Mama, about the insurance need, say, implementing on the 4th of April. I hear some few days after the health minister has spoken. You can check the
way
date.
Before.
No, but check.
Way before.
My checks are just here.
Okay, I'll show you the date.
Was it before or after?
Yeah, so minister can 28th.
Okay.
And president.
I'll check.
Let's check. But so far, they're checking the check. Minister they can first. And this is saa night there. And to me, say, but the most important say both
attribution na musura na say we attribute say oh yeah down man penny that Mahama say oh this adwini buy.
If adwini be free President John Dramani Mahama who's a G City Genatum City na di attention ba so say omo ko use words so and na me pen no omo use action omo ko tua ska say my 4 buses aban say but highway is important omo di action e kasa e na quickly ye dis akwan so ya G4 ye dey see all our lolo buses. And if idea be free, John Romani Mama Hoa, Sebi or your Ghana near or pay or money, you be jatum. But just because we see a higher fact, me bought 2 dates, now and just say one came after the other. But my brother, infant to change. The Hiani say both minister and Papa John Romani Mama a jatum and no more catch say insurance for health workers is important because people are putting their life at risk. Instead of if you're a health worker and you lose your life through this. As for the 350,000 Ghana cedis, your relatives, in fact, the next of kin, Nipa. Yes, the Sabeka Saska. I see. It's very important. And that's what insurance cover does. Sebi, because if you own cash, obechichamo biano, who tia scabi premium, now your policy. And the policy, the total sum, it's over 10 million Ghana cedis. Ushe minister the policy, I'll get the details. So, in some day, one say every health worker, if anything should happen to you, you are going to get.
Honorable Ghana Hania, even your car insurance, you cry no. soon that's a follow insurance cobra
no problem. Mami can't food at the end kakraba quickly. Let me Mami Kai will say Sebi abayan kasa and our buy an insurance policy. A bed say nipa na wa insurance no Sebi or there be ebusu abedi agro. And Kai say even with cars no, there are companies that pay. Sami is here. Any insurance company biana unya asema odi udi agro. There are some that pay promptly. About the food quickly. Who say before gender ministry and now buy started chef food. Me and kasa me pay partners kakra na omo boa me chef food kakra. Because in such time me can say im to say these times and a human aspect I was saying MP. Because you obi na wo di odi 1 pia ebi mo 1 pia ontimi didi. Enti na me take initiative na me hear about 1,000 a day. But no kra na every day because e twe me hear me Saturday and Sunday. Abai de no buy mo no the Maya quickly say ebio assembly na before ko chiche no I try to be seen over there trying to say you miso me man confirm say miso me wo what's the word compassion ema won exactly now only the AS ni say manya calls from some other MPs o mo ka say na say you in quote and this assemblyman ono bo na wa chiche aduane ayeku for Rabai only the
and this is in your constituency.
In my maybe the hono manya 1 or 2 complaints about me and MP before mo ka say I don't know area ha you will say NDC ni na ADH manya from MPs platform MPs be a complain say o kwa obenwu assemblyman bi onim dey pay another MPP guy na too for say assemblyman o mo ye proactive just say onim say be ye dey ma obi a oni bia nipa odi eche no na akoma be ko no no omo starting call out of their own to support the distribution of the food enti sebi oyo obi a odi nkrofo nima e bia e di duane ko no try and make an effort.
Okay.
Na your be no monitoring every program obey no se botan ni papa e beti about the implementation no e beti me atonsi ana niam ankoye. The most important is monitoring no be boa na wa hye nema yi. Now I'm happy to announce on this platform say national security is involved in this operation. Okay. Me caterers or moon near the annual lechukuku 3 FM say national security affair. Now they want to know where the food is being shared. And guess what? Some of the distribution, national security operatives, now just was a not before and share party colors. Now the vulnerable area, I can almost say that. And Obiga complains, doctor, now if you are channel and a national security abemu, we say I buy sikano. I'm sure some person will buy. So Nyama Sami identify. Let's take all on board, okay, so that the process will be perfected. Okay.
So, Sami, my member of Hona Fiyanshare ensure electricity interventions, absorb 3 months.
Yeah, the containment measures now.
Yeah, containment. I'll give you about 5 minutes to deal with that. 3 months, we'll absorb water bills and I feel lifeline consumers of electricity, so a free, I feel 50% for commercial and residential. These are very good interventions.
Yeah. Now, Sakra na member Hona. So make interventions for health workers and me 50% increment in salary, which is another good thing. Okay. They motivate health workers or sacrifice lives. Again, the challenge has been that tag frontline health worker. Dr. Koboyd or your doctor, meaning say unim problems are edema among health professionals.
The definition of who a frontline worker is.
Say yan problem as had the end of the bebre. A bear kese krompa chen time and salary increment be anyhow. Because you see, the last thing you want to do now is to divide your health professionals. Now, what creates impression be say where you ma oya na who here change we. All health professionals who here in this time. Absolutely. And see, in Susuya President Mahama, Edia Ban, the best strong man penny. Doc there, Doc is a different from MPP for Nekaka. He listens a lot. Meaning, say Obama, the substantive minister, Ajimamenu, Honorable Ajimamenu, and Omampeni Kufuado, so Obecho Mabianko, because it is beginning to create problems. President Mahama say, ye are frontline adjective in influence. Na ye farmer health workers in na name boost to obia moral and obia motivation. Ye sa ebeboa. Now on water. They said the kind. I mean, President Mahama called for this. And President Kufuado the year Juma. My name is General Secretary NDC in Penyu for. In fact, President Mahama cry wabo President Kufuado abaso said, yeah, this census we never said. yenye nsuo bo free no omampani Akufo-Addo etie
asa ban nye attribution bia o ana amate sa
ban me address that issue e hono na me free say oh ye nuanom MPP for omo nye ma ne nye fe so I have no problem commending President Akufo-Addo for the good things he does me ye ne sa dia o sa da no bo MPP for ma me fans pa o sa me jemfie ne de wa ya de na de enko yie no kokape oye politics akwa we de ade na oye politics ade na obo President Mahama Abaso enso obo President Akufo-Addo Abaso de aye obo we Abaso de aye obo President Akufo-Addo Abaso aye o criticize de a onye ni papa look Nigeria de one Buhari ginaye PDP eye you can say APC Euro Atiku yare iba Nigeria we 50 million naira so what e de aboa Nigeria ban ono on chiche PPs ne de keka sika e na wa donate President Buhari agina o man ni nyina na mu even those Atiku ye opposition ni no abona baso adanase for the why de aboa Nigeria ban e wo saa emne yo moko etia COVID-19 be Ghana ha de say President Akufo-Addo ene ni mpanyimfo bebo President Mahama Abaso for the oye no menua adane boache bidi hey Dr. Koboy osi o ye mo despite Abaso aya de oche sika ye mo Magdan Abaso wabobo de ni nyina President Mahama opposition ni akora otifie otiti ni mo wura mu sika owo nyina wo de top PPs de boa ni colleagues doctors and nurses across the country ene ye nche ye nko PPs aya che 650 gambus ene nyema ene ehwa ye diama ban po President Mahama ache untumi nkan masa check ebibre mu ha opposition leaders for saying ayesa and so President Akufo-Addo be ya address omo President Mahama din omo Nabaso Okoboy mu nyina beka Magdan we nie me mo nyema politics de nye fe obi ya dia osayeye what you say no debi e to debi amo nyema ne nye fe masa you say your fruit you apa no enye pia no so what you say papa ni trust we have to commend him
salary for 3 months
yeah
or see him farmer conference say sami ankenu timi jaje
oh say no boso mi nyanso eti me ye ne maye e different
but say ade a wakanti
me ye ne maye e different and we try nka egu a unsi da obi say me boso me miensa ketua me de bema boso me no first one no kra nyanso ya na ka pese wa donate o say donate aye ba be da na
but I no cry
ya cheka bia unsi ye President Mahama dey o che health workers nyina e boa wo
sami to gidi sa mampani akan enya de e be ye adwuma
me nkas me say me ye ne maye me nua senso so hedem
we say wa ye
onyanye
waka say ye onyanye adwuma
first month de no say ono no onyanye ya yentua wo ka wo ye first month wi ayetua wo ka na fe de akoto fufu eti eba me na me nua announcement ya ba ikeke ko se ma bo President Akufo-Addo Abaso me ba ma bo na Abaso bebre ada na MPP for a mo de o mo se ma ye mfa de nye politics they find it so difficult to commend President Mahama for what they are doing. Electricity. Ensure no eye. Problem is water coverage in Ghana is only 48% according to Ghana Living Standard Survey for statistics. Only 48%. That is half of the population in the access to pipe-borne water. In the no coverage no form. Nipa bebre di omo ye nya nsuo ni so omo to nsuo so ho. Na mate se omo to nsuo no bebre emma hianfo ase bi omo ni pipe omo fie no problem. Even those aban ya ade ni free no. Okoto aye situaka. Ehona was aban ma na ni ko. Ni make sure say afo ni nyina so can benefit from the package. The challenge was aban dealing with water availability. Because see Ghana has obeti so bi kan nsuo ho asem a enye ne bo. Water bill yentansu even though say the aban ya na ye. The ya taka ho asem pa to ko boy de be ote no nsuo ne ma ye bia ma availability. Ya to me pipe mu wam ya to kaka ye nuan nkran ha kwa teshi nungwane sa areas na. So availability of water is the issue. Mema yem shishie kakra ne say on the 17th of March Ghana Water for your press statement bi. Say galamsey ati se nintino. Omo nya water shortages in so many areas. It almost started water rationing. Mimi area mpo ma started. So ne ba kakra mba. So sa underlining problem. Yes. Area be. It is sphincters. Doctor knows. But the area the problem here and they say the underlying problem of water shortage I was say abide dealing with it. And yes sir, implementation of free water and even 48% or more access no e be nya bi. Now you're dealing with that problem. No man penny see mobilize tankers both public and private na ye deliver nsuo ama hiafo mu ni pipe water and on implementation no doc menim say enyan start ya because yen share dan hu say tankers e deliver nsuo nti eno na be ya implementation yen start because lockdown the challenges no real. Now on electricity, fantastic intervention, very good, it sounds good. Intimi nkasentia because why wo kuro mu a wote President Mahama o kan wie ye na sameje mfia som je no mosquito ya som yenye electricity free because Togo, Rwanda, Congo sa mama nyina o ma electricity free bonto ama omo manfo. Nti ye advocate for that. Na President Akuf me kan ye mpo MPP fo bi ko di matem omo se minim so omo women organizer bi ma mi jemfo ana obi. Yes, was say sameje mfi free electricity a onko Togo. E da Peace FM online. Oh, ye me pasa say adenti na me ka say yenye free electricity enye possible. But to ask one. Adwendwe wo sunwem ti o mampanyin na so afọ kwadwen ho. Omo say the President Mahama kan ya ye mu bi di ano tu mu omo so pae no. Sa ye betumi ayama na ye. O man timi anye free no. But at least omo say ehiafo a omo consume be 20 Ghana cedis ma lifeline for 50 units. Aban be fa kani nyina. Eye na ya ye consume bro 20 Ghana no. Eno na aban afafa. Eno so ye. But problem e wo hu ni. Hwe nipa ahi omo pa na omo fine ba ku bi na bone dem na bob na bone dem a consume only 20 Ghana cedis a month no. Nipa dodo na no omu ni omo ankasa mita. Omo te compound house, omo high dine. So me nua otima say. Enti we ebe wi akire no eye mita ebo fie wo nyina na serve omo. To both say the consumption of the household no e bro 50 units ni so bebre. Enti at the end of the day no oye here need there oye the poorest of the poor no mampanyi kan there but free no onya because of the compound house the consumption bro lifeline so. That is number 1. Number 2, and the lockdown into no. Then can now to fear 12 hours and now to fear 24 hours in lockdown areas. And they now consume electricity 15 Ghana and now we are lifeline consumer. And then we will consume 30 Ghana cedis into your lifeline beam. Even though you are the poorest of the poor and also you're a day. Would you not want to your lifeline for? Then can now top power 100 Ghana. They will prepaid this one. And I would not fear more Nintino. What's the song can you see so? Who use electricity more? Over 200 Ghana. It was to say 50% now. Still, over between 100 Ghana and now with 300 Ghana. But the challenge here is say, and can now we do it was so much 22 more remunya kakra 100 Ghana no. And then we will shop. Wa wo kodum adwuma ya basa obi ahye dem. Nti 100 Ghana no kra to be den ebe ye wode. Enu nti na ye mu bi. Yes suggest say the Togo, Rwanda ni Congo mu aye no. Ka yeso yenye bi yenye ni free. But o mampenye ntumi anye kra na enye problem de wa ye ye be fa na sa. It is better than nothing. The issue is implementation because CJ Kai 2018 o mampenye say 30% reduction in electricity. Dr. Kobo emo budget so yay. E wi akire 30% no. And said down reflective papa. E sounds we actually no. Oh, kwansima na ya sounds what to nkani abom. Yempese the implementation of 50% over quarter power na and reflect. And now say 3 months after this measure no, o mampenyi be ba beka say me sounds to nkani abom. Because how e ka we no aban no absorb no. Honorable Kwaku Kwaten say aban no koje bosia de aba betua. Nti e me ye ka ye ba be buragu ho. Na no justify future increment. So what you say? And into the yenye no feel near making sure so chine bi ne man meto nkani ni Sami on
quick input and ramene ura bemboachi ASEP Africa Center for Energy Policy twin komo and I watch say in the 3 months no a car possibly between abeda ho ye 3 billion Ghana cedis.
Yeah.
And that was the conversation I was
no honorable Kwaku Kwaten Deputy Minister for Finance say aban koje bosia o say aban am I increase bosia mutimi bono we increase threshold into more apart from $100 million you need 1.2 billion from stabilization fund no. Aban san kwa ko bobo 3.1 billion cedis. Tenye sika ketwa. Enti eno no di tua kawia 2-3 months after me kan say o kwa ko to nkani abom. That is because ye hu bi da. O kai 30% ne buy and after that ye ko to nkani abom twice. E ma ne the problem buy. Baby a o mampanyin fa na adwen koye. Ah no ye suggestion President Mahama na NDC ya making it force free. Ne ye pese ye twe doc ma adwen ko ho. E ye data bo. Data ya ye de browser ye de WhatsApp ni Facebook yi. Ene airtime.
Also, you intervention or home.
And was so all the African countries will be here. Maza, and now go to go. Ye Chesica, ye Chesica, the boss citizens. These are things in this time no na ban dia ye so te the metro na say sika na ade koye kwan de ode koye school no one fan hwe wo manfo na kom de manfo wu a emfa so be na wo so the point we are making here is say yen subsidize it the aban no betimi aye e de ama cost of data and airtime aba from no e simple number 1 50% CST no ye twem so man penyin 50% CST increment na wo de ba na nsia no yi free wa data ya ye de browse airtime yi e be ba for because then CJ yetifie obia woni phone so obia hwe Netflix obia ye we ni nyina ye de data yesi mempie nti credit ne kra no unya bi no aye den wato but at least o man penyin 50% CST ni free ho na data boba from airtime boba from one o to 10 Ghana kra be den e be che wo
Sami ni amu ye abanya den asa mu sunsum aban why overspending no
nti Togo president or you overspending Zimbabwe president or you overspending Congo president or you overspending
me fa Ghana economy to
ye wo sika che omu nyina now free say Togo for almost $200 million o say no we minister oba ma opposition for yen kasa na wo twere o office na wa implementation CJT sika no enyo man panyi dia o $200 million ye ka ho asemi obeto yimpu president mama na da stabilization fund what tell me say ena ya sanso ama ne kwan so nko bosia no Ghana for ya na ye betua de ye ka se wonye iso no ni colleagues a omo ye presidents of poorer nation Ghana ye was sika Congo bebre ye was sika Togo bebre omo nyina ye de chance so ye suggest say o man panyi why ade but na show ball na Dr. Bofre na show ball
omo sanu mrane
onye bi nka ho boni bi anye de ni nti na ye ka se airtime so a ye nka se ko fasika bi wo baabi ye de suggestion san so aba how do you reduce it you say 50% increment in CST ni free wo and no you free wa how does that affect you in any case e ma ban krompo sen
okay
enti ye hwe no na menua
Sami na the one who see
the man who see because oba bie mu na meko containment measures no so we nyina no ye kan say ya e wo se esua bibi free and then meka say de e koso free BC o mampanyi kufu ado ye ni nyina no e wo se ka okuboy mo best studio ano de boaba o se Same monye mfa nkoma president Mahama ne boni because I vindicated president Mahama ama ye nyina ye hu the importance of health infrastructure and infrastructure in general. And you can you imagine say na yare ya be any range hospital Greater Accra Regional Hospital any Bank of Ghana Hospital any municipal hospital ye siwe I hear the main treatment center for this pandemic any University of Ghana Medical Center and they a man penisi o ye free power or ye 50% reduction in power na lifeline for okay any Mary plants ye ni car power ye ni sen ne asogili ni de keka ho ene yo man penyi so o ye free water ene ye ni tertiary desalination water projects ye ni pond water projects mampon K3 water projects a president mama ye ni ya lulu bases aminu anke ne ye ko ya na ye ba enti de meka mana sini se CJ bosia aban ne bo sika aban ni nya no after ye be exit from this crisis ye be free problem we mu no e was say aban ni sua bibi wom say consumption ye there but I was here bibi investments in productive sectors like health water say na be your mind no kwa hoyehie mu a e betimi aboa ma oti baby o man panyi Mahama bia wo bia no etu chema no e bona baso for the visionary leaders a lead to all these strategic projects
but that's Sami Jinfi doc my member also na member also so time but there's the 600 million loan for the small medium business and also on my person but my member doctor terminal fee
and now kasai you were still you were about 370 cases
78
I know it's 378 when you take away the 6 who have passed and the 2 who are in critical condition we have about 370 mild cases that we are dealing with. There were 2 critical cases. Critical cases say Sebio bi omo wono e ho nye. Because Sebio me appreciate the seriousness of the situation. Honestly, me pese me cut too much into Sebio the President Mama aye compared to the Kufuor aye and Kufuor. The reason is that as we speak, we are still in the battle. Say Ochina Nyankopon Adom na nhihye ya nyina ahode ade tum na corona kwa we can have a retrospective discussion on some of these issues and theories.
But you're commending despite another people.
Oh, I know. Say President Akoche PPs, President Mama now Ubona Baswa. It is a contribution towards the fight. It's okay. Sebi.
But of course, he had me to say he deserves commendation.
I'm coming. Don't worry. You see, I'm looking at the timing. So can say or two chairman and all that. You are still in the war. You are still in the war. You are not completed the war. You are battling a virus. Or you stubborn. A virus or you slippery. This is not the time. Na Sebi, what two chairman no China see Ghana 4,000 or more free more. You get what I'm saying? Now remember, OC hospital, Amakanda, a new hospital physical structure no, and a hospital. Sebi nipa be ejuma. As at the time my MPP Bapa 2017, me ma call University of Ghana Medical Center, me dey mo bon komo bebre. Staff on 1G. In fact, they only made people apply. Because jokingly, because the only person I want na security man or University of Ghana Medical Center. Most of the recruitments, in for process come starting, they are mechanizing one. I to one salary. This government. Point in this government continue. We see dying, sabi workers and you know obiabeji. Ma, we should not get into the area of America. Anka buida me new anka. Anka ebe wo dum so with America. Obi die no na obe eden. Yes. So we should not get utu oyi wo die from so man si bi anka power enya free. Kufos beka say yi buida free yo. Na nkruma so be yi akosombo. O plants no cannot source all of us. So it's a word, it's a continuum. Me pacho alolo basi. Send am metro mass ho, and send alolo buy. Anka oyi metro mass we want to alolo to be jina the service. So let's focus on what is happening now.
But what responded to Samidi?
Yes.
See, you have ambulances.
Yes.
Yes. You have drones.
Yes.
To what extent are these helping in these?
Oh, absolutely. Say, anytime Obe investing in a particular area of health, contribute to the overall health service. And the ambulance, it came to help with critical care. But when say corona bay, Obi or YB or say transporting from one place to the other. The boosting in the ambulance capacity, it will be of help to the overall fight. But what I say. So, and then me catch you because I say, Usha, you see be a critical condition out of corona, or you'll be a respiratory problem. Normally, you'll be corona hana. The main, ebi a the professional, doctors when status localis, ebi action and take the chest, the lungs na normally you see be war in yama. Into Usha niyama ye talk to prepare us well for corona no. Ventilators and other monitors for monitoring oxygen saturation. Niama way or Chinebino, it would have boosted our intensive care capacity in this country, so that obi or other conditions like chronic obstructive pulmonary or yarebe or chest, they will benefit from the corona preparedness. So in a nutshell, the point I'm here is say, you're scaling up your strength, not only in physical infrastructure. Sebi. Polyclinics baby I started JM time. By completely. Greater Accra about 5 polyclinics. They were commissioned in our time. They started in Sami Jane Fiesta. By now, Odi Unsako which 1.5 investment jantuma. One shana head and lock. So the point is that about my biano a continuous process. One shall China President Kufuor office by issue statement. So no soon Buidam count and then free power no cause the metro mass. Let's focus on the war. When we finish winning the war, we can come and have a chat on all this. And about the funding, Sikani be free. We are using money from many sources. Some is straight from the consolidated fund, but can I say because of lockdown?
Consolidated,
no. Oh, before even the government started spending, even before this came to Parliament.
Okay, the 2.5.
Exactly. So there's some money here from our strength. There's some money we've taken advantage from funds from World Bank because of the zero interest rate and all that. Loans, you'll be a gap in your financing. Once wire budget, our inflows are shorty. They say pots. Nyaman can sky you a pots now. A bed drop it. And inflows. I am a sky budget. You must close these gaps from many sources. Some can be you can consider tax increases, which normally is not popular with both the leader and the citizen. Borrowing is a way of what closing the gap. But remember, the fact that you are borrowing. And say, oh, you'll be a SEBI. You are lost on ideas. Even US, to close their gap, one of the options would be to borrow. Borrow, just say, Sika one and Sudia or spending. So you try and then you pay in the future. Now, the fact say, Uko borrower, a Ghana phone no nebituano, and just say, no borrow keke. Kwa borrow be borrow a best sink you. anything I find sustainable debt financing. I will say borrow to the extent say ube nya won dey on be tia. America bet me borrow $10 billion.
Doc, memo what so ma menkai ahwefo na etifo obetimi abem na also odu adwen chaba 030221170124 0302211701.
Yes, so okay about water. Okay about water. Osha Lejikuku say it's true. Sprinters need teshi about 6 weeks, 2 months ago. Now in some bed in Kakra, me call Ghana Water MD no. On my meeting I say now more years some repairs and connecting some.
Yeah, they make an end.
That was about 6 weeks ago, but now as we speak, the condition has improved.
Yeah, it's improving.
Okay.
But
because
still,
it's improving.
Yes,
yeah, it's improving.
Yes,
okay. But still, you don't know.
They finished the. And then secondly, like I said, BBI was saying yeah as a bino, yeah be ama, yeah so socially and economically. Then you have some so more suggestions say ba be about more abe buano will impute it, but any channel wa to chebe bre am for one channel ni chasa
oh
to nya aboten ni eche na me chema we na me si aboten eche no otu bebre a eche ni sa se se no yemfa ahondin enhye ko na fight no na say we are leadership na president provide any PPs are GMD ba no obia effort no let's put it on the battlefront, okay, and then we the work quickly.
But just fine. Lines. Doc, we doctor we share lockdown in hon hihye and compliance ankasa
testing those issues.
Onim okasa we lockdown or North Korea compliance level no very very high because omo your mind say be I say police state freedoms indoors wo China kra no say be although omo a democracy saminim a state aban ka say obi under 5 quickly obi under 5 because say be culture na war no is a strong arm in terms of government. But over countries, say be a UK, Ghana, democracy, no, obia say be sorry, or timid Trabantino. Who didn't share say, caution them, why any panel, so be follow na air in Kaka. But let me say, largely, one share ya, overshare Kaka na, or more misbehaving, now the a forgetting be brain now, or more behavior themselves.
Okay.
Look, Osha streets now, over the week, I mean, say your exemption, MPs, because of laws in your call me pia look why not I very free so largely no ofa osu me fa oso street me fa laboni ohun so bia tini ebi in fact wo krom kra no bebre she dem
but in fact la pass ho ne ade de wo
me ba
me fa
oko some places are
sami me ba
oko some places are ampa ebi mu obi timi free
kaso la pass hey fadama abeka ho ne ade
obi timi free kaso so okoto dokun rotation.
Isa ewo takrade Isa me mo akwaba.
Hello.
Isa akwaba.
Yeah, you know.
Isa yenti o.
Yeah, mama ntia Dr. Okoboy. Ejuma pa oye odeboa Ghana man. Na mama no congratulations so. On his appointment. I mean I meet program here pa. Na Mr. Sami JV. I think this is not time for you to score a political point. We are all battling with coronavirus, and I think that should be the focus. Dr. Okoboy has educated severally on this particular issue, and who donated different items, PPAs, and other things to the public servants. And this, I mean, say, OPIAD, including Western region, we have so many prominent people who are sharing PPAs to hospitals. And to say, I don't know your point today, President Mahama, I don't know, only the point be and get to say, Obia Betuma,
okay.
But yeah, if you're going to Fadwa, Obia Hubatano Wagana Hadi, I think that should be the focus of the discussion.
Okay.
And not to score a political point that will not lead us anywhere. And most countries in Africa, I think Ghana is the best that is now fighting the coronavirus. I'm making it say, Mr. Okoboy, I thumb up for the good work that you are doing to for the mother Ghana.
Isa Medase. Mamin call Joseph Ewo Teshi. Joseph Akwaba.
Hello. Good morning.
Yeah, Joseph Yentio.
I'm Pacho Wadaruma. Someone more canon. Me person me kakra so kakra.
Yentio.
First of all, mother some denviase. as I say, metaphors like metaphor everywhere. The Casamunda Hokama. The same person, maybe at the Sradia, a man as I say, Adena Ebayano, and Yenipabaku, Intocon, you could say. And then Nipa OND, and then Nipa NPP. Any problems to say, and 5 years. And sometimes, say the politics, ever send him to Anoma. Never say I am the whole Ghana. So what the idea? Because say JM, I contribute here. NPP forces me then, and make sure say, or make so JM the idea. Even so, if you post a now back. No, the idea more than so that, but that's you. Encourage you, ma, who go to it at the corner of one who will be crap over time. Said all the account then. At the Ama Akala Chrono. Anna, everything in panel. Metino, Frank, Demo Honum. Mistrana, one way MP, our area. Yeah, Quino. Bridge number here or Demo Honum.
Okay. Joseph made us say, and you're quite handsome, and I can't. Menko Kumasi, Emmanuel, Aquaba.
Yeah, good morning.
Good morning, Ima. You are live. I ain't you.
But then I'm going to say,
Namiadum.
I assume the name, but I said, I can't know. And the name, because you're a massive, or, you know, a general say it's now. You're quite a area corner, but who can number? So, but I said, I can't say parties are maybe moving, but I don't think that you take a new Kukumasina, a massive. Oma Obiamba, Yam Kikwa, this is Obiamba. I said, Omuto, Omu Party Kwani. I don't get to for mana, Ghana for one.
Ima Mibao, and Opa just said, you know, Emba, a bin Ruho. Kumasi Hifa, and August free. Ima, Ima, Kumasi Hifa, and our free. Etimetimase. Okay. Etimetimase. Okay. You better check. Ebiana ahonomono and candidates. I don't know, but Nanabunsu ewo la. Nanabunsu akwaba.
Hey, CJ, at Citra Farmer Review. Would you really know?
Nanabunsu.
Hey, Comfortu, maybe any.
Nana yentiu.
Medasi. Mamisha Budu, and I know I say, Minabema, Samuel Kubeti, Michelle Fisher.
Nana Kwasem no Sumame. Kwasem no Sumame.
Minia, Bamin Champion for more a question or Muye Juma. To be honest with you, Dr. Okoboy, who share a Jumadia, Papanu, A.G. And number one say this apostle, I said in some. Sammy Jamvisha, fantastic boy. And that program of my genome. One much less say, or what you know, minor political affiliation beyond Omodi Aton chain. Now, Mr. Debbie and Buffy, there's one come say, Almighty America. I want to meet this. Oil, I shall foresee almost years over 40 years. Women and word drew. It's women now find Pabonia Kumapa, for the Mamas and Bonabasso, so also for as cabinet ministers. I what you do, man, Pelly to go in the airboa. There's a time what said the politics at one time. Now so called lockdown. You know, be cannot so move pot say, agent Miluka say, me can't feel, me don't official butcher. Me can't feel, William. In class form the Newman Befree about forum, as soon as fire Oma, and Yamon Pine next week, you know, Masada Maka, okay, my good damn, but I say, Yamon Pine, not I didn't fear so. You and Pesca and Woman, or my penny Babua, or Babua could see that bay. But I say, no man.
But I say, Nanabunsu, Nuruddin, Ewo, Asim for Nuruddin Akwaba.
Yeah, good morning, Mia.
Good morning, Yentio.
Mia, the passion, I'm say, Adi.
Hello?
Partisan. But we share communication so in smart evidence orca. I see now follow you say in maybe what in Kui near Sovereign. Shall call us now because in my area and gang stadium, the Asian person Yanni free so. So be a beer near Bonabasso. Near because you can say we are away because you perceive your mind, you be fit higher. but we from the we are pursuing now as a partisan emwa in the same fee jo okano in fact in summer in fact Ghana in support new line na ya de kono emwa ni nwe fi and the pia Kumase is my bad lockdown Kumase I'm what tafu sisi ameke tafu hello
yeah me tonka
me what tafu sisi on me ka say ye yonkofo every dress come e tin kofo ye hu say ekoso because that na ko ezongo what I say
okay
nti say ekoso ye yon nti don't campaign nti jone chibi say de ekoso nti ye kan say yenye na ye wa say de be ya oman yo to nyen fisa ye
me da say me last call no me ntimi for frefo bia we sami me ba wo ho na fi me ba on the compliance o hwe senia nkofo treaty this whole compliance ko kuma say dwom amafo apeten kaso dwom ni ade some of the MMDCs have taken the initiative to lock down markets. Would you recommend a total lockdown at this point, Sami?
Total lockdown there. You be jaya mo man penny express now more data.
Okay.
But I agree with you, sir. Observation of lockdown in lockdown areas are very poor. Now it's because Ghana yet had a near serious diagram. Among Yadena Yeka one sem sal. Even though we don't want to spread panic.
Well, we share video here that's where can so market during this lockdown. And I'm for about peso.
The would diagram before us. Masa, among Maya Kessia, US, Italy, Spain, and Fitias, or they are in the diagram. FAO Massa. Inti I was say a share compliance in the Mukin. And answer I back containment measures in this one me who say Horna Yema to Sini. Ne was say a share ye pardon. My main chibi we say, Semekase. Me tu chema John Mahama, me bo John Mahama baswa, any political point na me score. Se me kase me bo President Kufuor abaso, wa ye bibia ya. Aden no the MPP for nkase sa me jenfi or score political points. Aden no the Dr. Kubo nkase sa me jenfi uche besa. E du President Kufuor do de so a, e no de me chensa. Be se President Mahama o nipa, wa ye bibi papa na sa me jenfi ka de no de uche besa. Dok ko ba yi so despite ayadepa magdana ayadepa wabo mu nyina abaso me so me de bi mano atoso bi aden na no de wan twen ama yan free covid-19 ni mu anwie anza na wo bo mabaso adentia masa Atiku o donate 50 million ma Nigeria aban so the support to covid-19 fight in Nigeria no aden na Buhari anka say still your cases was soro nti ye twen ama yan free covid-19 mu anwie anza na mabo wabaso ubo obi abaso obi ya de passé PPs, a Bible, you don't see any opposition leader doing this. Oko health facilities being na minua, and your president mama PPs na PP kula no munye bi. Instead say you born abaso to encourage and motivate him to do more. No, you say yen twema yare ni ntwemu ansa, yen fa just abaso body yen fa mbabu nto so. Minua, we nyina ye politics man ye. Oh, I didn't know workers on the sea hospital on the year. Doc, se me kasa on. I guess I'm score points. Me three adwenya ku CBB so. Say as a nation, there was a expenditure. Aban we betena konwa so 3 years and some months. Ne yemu bi ya ba ban na chi say ne expenditure no. We nwuma na bebre ye consumption. Be say yenye hospital yenye we no atosini. We aban we hospital back. Oh, CJ me ba.
That's what my na me adaroma. Memo ato aso, but my enkomra on compliance na menko na ya dachi hene na ya dachi hene eho owo kasoa dwom sisi nana se otemenka
yo CJ na metonka ewo kasoa edwakese na nema we pie mu yi na senia ya shashe dada no about the compliance rate on social distance na yedwa hudu e wo Ghana ha na o pie mu a eya ne ho eya ho to kakra se nipa hudu a wo dwo no edoson e chen space a ewo ho nti agobon sa na nipa no ebo enei ubedum o ka so adwo a empanyifo ayo wadwe se anyade a ombema nkrofa wo bo ho omo ho mode a some betumi separate but situation no different here nti ye ni nkomo kakra ne he the entire compliance rate no said that enye ejuma ha mami I don't try to for social distancing enye ejuma
Da ye de adwuma pa.
Yeah, but maybe I will tell you see social distance na nye adwuma.
Oh, didn't ya not high. 5 cities. Oh, didn't you not na how did you also?
But usha in totality say ya mugu ana. And just social distance ni adwuma.
Oh, da adwuma pa. Usha adwana ye di na. Adwuma. Obi a chiche ni hu se da o mu kan ye no. Ye nyina yete ya ade echi. Oti usha samora no pa we twe ni mu twe ebe mi nti. Adwuma pa.
Okay. CJ ye ba na situation kakra e wa ha. Mpanifo mu ba dwom no e kire se baabi ankrofo bi ti ne anya de eboa. Na nti na e wo se omu sise omu free kwan no e de be ka mamefo no mu du ha no. Omo so asase se wo complaini ye ni mame we so eni nkomo. Mami I don't think dwom ha mu ba ye. The friend social distance am betu no huntew no entumi nya adwuma.
Da on sa ha ne so. Na ya chicha on se wo hwemu aha no ye do so chen baabi a nti wo chiche kra anya de abeye adwuma obi benya baabi obi nya baabi se obi anu bia ne bebo ne de nka mesuma ba hye baabi apa bibi edi why nti mu ye mobona mu mpa bibi ye nko market no mu na mu nka se ene ahafo ba na o kira ma obi amba ofofofo mbra na ka no bomba bua ye
nti mame ya de na aba no munti se wo ban nipa na se obi a obetun anje bi de nti na mu hwe ya de se ya de ne ehu na mu ntrefi
ya ye ni de ye bedi ye wo fi ade na ye bedi anu nti a ye manum de na mu bedi nti nya se ye pe na ye de ba e kom na de ye ba
na so ba na be ya yare de bi nso
ana se mi hyedam so amewu mi pia so amewu se wat ma se nti mu hu ye mobo se market no bo na mu ba jai se na Friday for ba Friday ko na ye de Johnny blanda nti blanda for ba fida for mu mba fida for ba blanda for mu mba nka no bo mbe bua ye
but mami misa unim se nshishere da ho e kire se social distance na wo so mu di so
mbacho na so anu so mai na fit dada no bia ni se na ye dijwa akole we se na we ye ndijo school na ye ko wo so omo we se ya to wo nta manfo bebre ni mi se ya wo ni jo oba ya chemu wo ya chemu ya chechemu binu ko na binu so aba
mama ni mami o ha ye ntwetwe nkomo na o ka asem bi o se on ntwetwe nkomo abranche mu na mu fifa nkrofo table ni ade ha ye se obi schedule kwa ha mu si ombre ha di nti na nipa na bo apesu ha mu sa di nkrofo sa were mu
ya pamocho market ya chemu into 4 ye si obinum nko ofanko obinum nko akwele obinum bra ha say no obinum nko kasoa ba yemba no ma so ed into the sense me unit committee member or se me hye say na kan enye say nkrofo egada wa ha say na yema omunko inside obia inside space wo onum bobi aba opekwan ho enu ti na mama kwan no so ni na na etuku a ye se ejuma no say ye bebo momu ni na be ko inside ba ye sa so still I say yamba na nti de ekoso no ase enu ti na ye guso ye ejuma wo be ko akole ni we no obi ani wonom omu ni na apia ase ye nim de nti enu ti anapa ye wa ye hwema ye na ato ye
okay enti CJ anano pedi na ti sa wo be pie mu o kaswa adwakasie no mu na say na esiba social distance there anya dia ye di adwuma kura ewo kaso adwuma
well enti mame nda wase ma na musini na na odache hene na say clearly sami social distancing no is still a challenge
because asem wo baby obi di machinye and medam wase semtro for ye bomba baso pa say more highlight these challenges solution no nya den kra we can manage it na me ma suggestions bia me feel say doc mo betie no mo be ye adwuma bebo but before I get there na ma no go so ameka say so bi ya the part say the president Akufo-Addo ye bibia ye carbon abaso wo ho na ye nka say ye ntwe ma ni nyenwi na ye mfi covid-19 mu ansa na abona abaso no that same vein so bi ya the papa emfa ho ni bebi free ye mo na abaso Dr. Indium ka say wa donate 8 ambulances o man penye Akufo-Addo anka say ye twen am ye free covid-19 ana me ka se me tucha me chebe sante say the Dr. Koboy ye ntimi mo wabaso obona baso na president Mahama de obona baso adane bwachi oh ebiem sa hospitals are someone are making infrastructure the importance of it no doc so obi ansi hospital na untimi mfa adwuma ye ni ma ne nyede e ma ne nkwatenam ka doctor Omampenyi Kufuor anye bui ena obi ameye America power ne de keka ho a nka wonye free ne nyeden enche ti se me boss afo ni nyina aba so a na me twe oman na dwen akobibi so se ye kɔ ye nim no ye wo sika so oman ye budget ye expenditure ye di emphasize consumption ni ye critical investments a ebetimi aboa omanfo. That is what John Mahama did, and I feel that I buy with to us as a panel so far ye nyanhu ye me kan say am kan the body. Now on CJ the hia pa ye ba ye nka ho asem hwe free electricity ye free water ye insurance policy for workers
anytime wa sha nti I know we try
you me try so wa ma be 5 minutes be
there be 5 minutes no wa fam be some 5 minutes
afa be me ye we in 3 minutes
akatu
hey wa gange up with Dr. Okuboy
not at all
o di akatu me in 2
medase
sa free water free electricity ni nyina ye but eno enye coronavirus edro eno no prevented the spread of coronavirus so ti ase the sa interventions ni nyina aba no eye lockdown ena the lockdown aba no eye yare no enti se wo ye nyeme bema ye ho ahenhan ye se na be ya lockdown ni nya problem so impact no ye bete so a na wo forget the nyema wo be ye dia prevented the spread of yare na wo dada wo de na meka ho asem se wo health workers ni PPs o mo be hye dia bo mo ho ban na yare ne ba o metimi aso ano a emfa ho ne nyema firi a wo be che yare no ebe foro so and naso ye ni se PPs no mampanyi di na no aka so akoda ne kasa health workers ni nyae doctors ne nurses be so Dr. Okuboy se meti correct me o mo na ne o menya yare ni bi and the ayem hihie kese aba among our health workers and will be a true in life because say be so lose life and no me say doctor bi ahwere ne nkwa I am hearing say it has something to do with COVID-19 o hwere won kwa 50% salary increment no any insurance policy then unya so mfa so bia so PPs e was here je ho adwuma so far your performance na ya abysmal lockdown ye no for a certain reason testing and
rigorous testing
for that matter or maybe whether yare we sun kunim whether it is South Korea whether it is there ade omo ye omo didi kunim ye mass testing and of South Africa omo ye mobile testing uko UK omo ye 100,000 testing per day but Ghana has a nyan testing koso in the regions baby a testing will form test case 50,000 abayika so dey be you nim that e ba be drew testing no form it was say 50 as a mass testing
Sami medas
oh be 2 minutes you na makasa 60 seconds hey what will be 2 minutes o san so je aka me 1 minute na me aka 1 minute na time ya anti ya time no cry doso I don't know how they come and fabricate
say 30 seconds
they make an here
do this for you 30 seconds for
look ebiem isolation centers ayewo quarantine centers ayewo treatment centers ayewo aban modern more in that direction e wo form pa ye mo ye ho modern wo
okay
ventilators ayewo aban we minister do so say ye ventilators ye mo ye ho modern wo accommodation for one who woni bie me nu ya na South Africa omo de stadium o ma ye facility omo ni ba bi na me try solution to this non compliance yo ebinum kwa wa ye dwom ebinum wo ha obekọ na hia for ma bo apeso wo ba bi because baby ombeda kro mu ni bi
okay
but now ko trade fair ye wo dome wo ha ye nyuso ye wo classrooms dormitories aye nyuso ye wo stadium aye nyuso. How can we put temporary
even
facilities?
With these classrooms, people are agitating. A futu in Cape Coast.
Independent facilities.
A futu senior
high. I was buying the bum.
I didn't know teacher for I don't be school no isolation.
I was so these are all challenges. We are in challenges. We are in difficult times. Okay, then finally, my final point. Doc, I mean, important. The borders, still, the border hold the problem. What the Mampenyi say, on ye, why extend the closure of borders? Me born about so say it is good. So they are here, and as border closure, they need the minimum for the next 3 months. Okay, because yari eba Ghana nyina ye border now Mampenyi antu muntemna, and not also for penny that you would not kind. Enti yemfa ya adwenya den yanko because yan tight entry points no surveillance na yare no ebe foforo yeso
on say PPs na my brother Samika no so what is said doctor ananes bi anya corona sebi any interest or share patient one born home by because a continuous exposure medicine mu nkyɛn sɛ de bia wo na wo hwɛ nkrɔfoɔ no wobɛtumi abɔ wo ho ban den sɛ risk kakra yɛ den ɛwɔ hɔ na 50,000 so far test na yɛ no let's be honest when it started 3 weeks ago the number of tests that yɛ no you are increasing the capacity first now I'm coming
on PPEs you know the Ghana Medical Association say the PPEs are not there so and you are a medical doctor
no, I'm not saying we have we have PPEs in abundance but I always make the fact say Sebi obia wako take sample e patient na wa hwe suspected COVID case no ya mana on naked in quote ya man share PPEs Kolebu say the next doctors can say they want to see it in sufficient numbers sufficient just say open say duduo na onya arreshemu say bebre wo ho that's why government and PPEs enye reusable kakra na reusable bebre we use we are so to go enti who use no you have to make sure you are restocking. And that's what we are
patient ba. I'm coming tested positive.
I'm
coming. Now we need so we be now we
need.
Like can be infected.
No. One very last important question.
Yes, very important.
Yes. Facebook. This one I have to deal with.
The point I want to make is that no country in the world, as we speak, is doing mass testing. Mass testing, I'm coming. I'm explaining something. Be calm. Mass testing, Ufa Ghana, the whole Kumasi, the test will be for Corona, COVID. No, that's what we call mass. Mass. Every country is doing enhanced testing. Enhanced just or far risk group.
Enhanced
semantics.
Oh, but this is technical language.
100,000 per day.
But it is still not mass because the whole population 100,000 compared to UK's population. What's the UK's population?
But you can't test everybody.
But that's what we mean by mass testing. Mass testing is that testing me testing. Every country is testing people with some level of elevated risk.
Okay.
That's the most important.
South Africa is doing thousands of tests per day.
It's more than ours, but it's not mass testing.
So are we doing enhanced
testing? We are doing the message.
We are testing. No, we are not doing any enhanced testing.
Sorry, but I put the message on my Facebook. I said, please, are you aware the 2017 batch of public trained allied health professionals?
Very important issue.
Are threatening to withdraw some of their members from contact tracing and testing team because this group of profession think that government didn't show fairness at all because every they posted allied health professionals together with the nurses, but this time around, nurses have been given financial clearance, leaving allied health professionals, and these groups are very annoying. They are very annoyed because they think that they all completed the same year. So please inform the minister that this is not too late. So they should add them to the measures, to the nurses' financial clearance. Honorable Okuboy, this is one for you.
Yeah. But Minyaji say, Nipa no send message to me say, I buy a clearance for all the.
Honorable, within this week. Oma Hamis. Oma Fremis.
You see, normally.
Send the press releases.
Me too is important. People should engage in the ministry. It helps. Who say usually over the years the practice in say normally when they are giving clearance, ube nurses say all of them, but other people are more human for health. How do you call it? And yet constant. Say nurses then. Let me give you an example. Like all those who train in biomedical science, they have to. No, I'm not saying they should not be taken. But the practice of the country, the state, is that they give across board for the nurses who've been trained, and then they have a way of.
It's not very fair when you say they've not engaged. Because
I'm not also saying they've not engaged. I said they should. If they've engaged already, they should engage more. Exactly. Because
maybe now that you are the ministry and you are the listening time, they should come and see you.
Yeah, I believe in stakeholders.
Maybe you should invite them to come and see you.
I will invite them
on Monday.
I will.
I mean, that's the phone
invite them because of issue is serious.
94.7 FM. Yada obi bi ase. Nyame adoma ochina nwumre nonso pem pepepe hyan ewo Adom TV obetimi atie asempa Adom FM ni Shira FM Okumase. Yada COVID-19 update. Yada Bromamenda me guest ase Honorable Bernard Okoboy, Deputy Minister of Health designate, and afi lawyer Sami Jemfi, National Communications Officer of the NDC. Nafi yenda Honorable Cynthia Morrison, Minister for Gender and Social Protection. Meeting the Chief Jerry Forson and American kan ochina na me ya adoma anumre nonso pem pepepe yade Debbie meeting the Chief Jerry Forson.
Mischief no yo onimudi wa shada.
Enti na ochi dwumadi esu ni Mama nda wase ma mo send messages ni ade nyina so yada mo ase yentimi aka message na de a chain na me adoma na wo send e be gibre na fe ya deal with mo issues am de buy ni nyina but on ho yanda wase so make it time to join us this morning on Nnawotwe you order send have a good morning.